concentrated.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, I just want to say welcome back. I know I have a bob. I know, and I did it myself. So let's get into it. So the hair is from UNICE hair, UNICE or UNICE, but I believe it's UNICE. So the hair is from UNICE hair. It was 14-inch, but due to the fact that I'm short, so it was like down here. So I decided to cut it a little bit shorter. So I cut it, and this is what I'm working with. So let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana Seba. I'm from West Africa, of course, Liberia. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, I just want to say welcome back. I just want to say thanks to everybody for the support you give me constantly on every social media platform, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Y'all consistently, Snapchat, TikTok. Y'all constantly supporting me, okay? And I love it, okay? I wouldn't trade it for anything, okay? So I just want to say thanks for always supporting me. So let's get into the hair. In today's video, we're doing the hair from UNICE hair, of course. No one else. This video is sponsored by UNICE hair. So officially, this was their 14-inch Ombre Burgundy 14-inch closure. So on this video, I show you how I installed it, how I cut it, and yeah, let's get straight into the video, okay? So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let's get into it. The hair is a 14-inch, but due to the fact that I'm short, so it look longer on me, and I want it shorter, so I'm gonna cut it shorter. And this is my first time ever doing this, so please pray for me. I need it, okay? Let's go.
wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone, tell me where you'll be.
Bitch! Oh my god. Oh my god, it looks so good.
Is Shakira here?
Bitch!
Cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you, baby? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone, tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder, where are you, baby? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone, tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know.
Okay guys, I cut it up and this is what it looked like. I think I did good for my first time ever cutting on my head. I think it's easy to cut on your hair compared to on a mannequin. I don't know. I'm new at this, so look. So I'm gonna put my clothes on. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you watched to the end, I just want to say thanks so much for the love and support. I do appreciate it. And if this is your first time doing this, don't be scared, because this was my first time too. So if I achieve this, so can you. If you watch to the end, thanks for watching.
I said it's good, I'll tell you.
Yes, beats.